The proceedings were not railroaded. Now, today, we deliberated extensively on the sufficiency of substance. What is required by sufficiency of substance? In our rules, it says there, the sufficiency of substance is met if there is a recital of facts which constitute the impeachable offense charge and determinative of the jurisdiction of the House Committee on Justice.
Matindi ang ginawa umanong pagtalakay ng House Justice Committee sa impeachment complaints na inihain laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kaya itinanggi ng House panel na minadali nila ang pagpatay sa impeachment proceedings laban sa presidente. Ito ay matapos na ideklara ng House Justice Committee na insufficient in substance ang impeachment complaints na inihain ni na Attorney Andre De Jesus, Makabayan President Lisa Masa at iba pang bahagi ng progresibong grupo.